Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome to another Bangkok travel vlog. By the way, it's rainy afternoon here in Bangkok. So right now guys, we are heading to our sponsored hotel.
Oh my God! Wow!
Kukwento ko na rin yung full details about the stay natin, and libre lang siya guys. So one of our subscribers, one of our friends all the way from Finland ay nag-message sa akin, nag-email sa akin, and they are actually planning to go here in Bangkok by December this year. Ang gusto nila, parang mag-try ako ng mga 5-star hotel na pwede nilang tuluyan or pagstayan kapag pumunta sila dito. And actually, initially, request nila is for 3 days and 2 nights stay. So, since tayo, mautak tayo, I've decided to parang do an overnight stay, then another overnight stay sa isa pang hotel. So, at least they have options. So again, this is a 5-star hotel guys. So I'm really excited to do a review and vlog about it. And for sure guys, ating mga reviews, we're gonna be doing an honest feedback and review about the hotel. Kasama na rin yung service, and I think that's the reason why they want at least a 5-star hotel, kasi may kasama ata silang senior citizen and infant. So parang they wanted to have a luxurious stay and chill habang nandito sa Bangkok. So again guys, I'm really excited to do this. Now we are, I think, 5 minutes away from the hotel. And sasabihin ko na sa inyo guys, we are heading to So Bangkok. And this So Bangkok is a 5-star luxury hotel located in front of Lumpini Park. Yeah, keep the change.
Oh,
Alright,
thank you.
thank you so much.
Sorry.
Alright guys, so we are here sa So Bangkok. Sobrang taas niya guys, and I'm really excited to explore and have a hotel tour. Ang fare natin guys from lovely Bangkok Siam going here sa So Bangkok, inabot lang ng 71 baht. Binigyan ko na lang si ate ng 100 baht kasi guys, remember, meron akong napulot na 40 baht doon sa ticketing machine. May nakaiwan ng 40 baht doon sa machine. So, wala namang umaangkin. Sayang naman, ipatip na lang natin to guys. So, bigyan na lang natin as a tip for them. So, Bangkok. Alright, let's go. Yeah. So, look at the entrance guys. Oh. So nice ng ambience. Hello. Check in.
Yes. So we will take care of your luggage. Can I have your passport?
Ah. There you go.
Thank you.
So guys, we are heading to the 9th floor, right?
Yeah, it's
okay.
a 9th floor.
So Bangkok, is it short for Sofitel Bangkok or?
Yeah, for this one is will be for the Sofitel and the So Bangkok is will be the our hotel in the Angkor group, but the name is another name. Yeah. Because for the So hotel in the take care of the in this mall.
Okay.
For the, in this mall it will be the brand belong the Angkor group. That's what.
Sorry guys, wala akong nag-gets. Pero we are okay. We are on the 9th floor. Thank you. Alright, thank you. I'll just take a video first. Alright guys, so we are on the 9th floor. So as per ate, the ground floor is more on a concierge. You can leave your baggage and they are going to assist you to bring your luggage to your room. Now, we are on the 9th floor kung nasan yung kanilang front desk and lobby. So you can stay here while waiting for your check-in time. And guys, look at this. I'm so amazed with the view. So, I'll give you a quick tour. So here on the 19th floor, here on the 9th floor, they have like a mixo bar over there. But we're gonna explore more of this later. But look at this guys. Look at the view. Now we have the complimentary drink. I don't know kung ano to, pero look at this. Mukhang lakas makasosyal. Cheers guys for our subscribers from Finland who sponsored our stay. Thank you so much. I know you want to remain anonymous, but yeah. Thank you so much. Cheers.
I confirm the booking, please. You're going to stay with us one night, check out tomorrow.
Yep.
Right, and the room that we book is the so cozy room, but as you are the gold member, we upgrade the room for you to a comfy room, and we request a park view with water element. So, right, okay. May I have your signature here, please? And you also request the breakfast special price through the internet. The breakfast will be including for one.
This one, right?
Yeah, just a signature. And how would you like to do the deposit by cash or by credit card?
Credit card.
Yeah, may I have the credit card, please? Thank you for the card.
Okay.
I don't think I have one.
Perfect. Thank you. They're really nice guys. And let me tell you na-upgrade tayo ng room. High floor with a park view guys, which is this view. And 26th floor. So I am so excited. So they give me a complimentary drinks that I can grab sa tatlong bar nila, either rooftop bar dito sa 9th floor and dun sa pool bar. So they are requesting for a 2,000 baht deposit, either cash or credit card, just in case may mga na-consume kayong food or drinks dito guys during your stay. So 26th floor guys, I'm so excited. Syempre we're gonna have a room tour agad. Then later na yung hotel tour. Sobrang thank you dun sa nag-sponsor. So at least diba, I have like additional vlog or content na i-upload ko for you guys. And so since this is a 5-star hotel, for sure you should experience a 5-star service. So we're just waiting for our room to be available. And time check, it's 2:35 PM Bangkok time. So itong room natin guys, actually pala, room lang yung nabook. So I've decided na mag-add na lang ng breakfast buffet amounting to 1,500 pesos. And shinolder ko na yun para naman at least may ma-add din ako, madagdag ako sa vlog natin for the hotel tour and room tour.
A few moments later.
Oh my God! Nakaka-touch. Guys, look! They have a cake for me. Thank you so much, So Bangkok. Nakaka-touch. I actually emailed them guys about my stay and I also asked permission if I can do vlog. So they said yes and ito na rin siguro yun, may pa-cake sila. And may pa-welcome pa ako. Welcome Mr. Mark Albert Paragas. Guys, look! Look at the view! Wait lang guys, na-excite ako. But, oh my God. Sana maging maganda yung panahon. It's rainy afternoon, pero tumigil na siya guys. But look at this view. Oh my God. Na-excite ako masyado. So, let's have a room tour. So, we are located on the 26th floor, room 2602. Again guys, kapag mag-i-stay kayo sa mga hotels or hostel, make sure na familiarize yourselves sa mga fire escape route or any emergency exit. Okay, so this is their switch for the aircon and lights. At ito ang mini bar nila. Yan, coffee bar. And as you can see, meron silang coffee machine and kettle. Tapos, mga glass. Alright, so they have cabinets here. Let me see kung ano meron. I think just for storage. Tapos, may wine opener. And merong silang complimentary bottled water. I'm not sure kung libre to guys, pero we will ask later. Mga coffee, creamer and sugar. Now, this is like parang mini walk-in closet. And by the way, meron silang plancha and iron board. So now, let's go to the mini walk-in closet. Oh, may vanity guys. So aside from the aside from the bathrobes, may extra pillow, may safety deposit box, tapos may area dito where you can put your luggage. And look at this guys. We have vanity. Tapos may weighing scale. May blower. So now they have like floor to ceiling door, sliding door guys, for their bathroom. Look at this. Mga complimentary cotton buds, shaving kit, toothbrush. There's a lot more here. Comb. You can request more if you want to. Tapos syempre may tissue. Tapos may dispenser for the soap and body lotion, hand wash. And this is their toilet. Let me check kung may bidet. Perfect. May bidet guys. 10 out of 10. Tapos phone for emergency purposes. Tapos may mga towels. Ayan. And towels here. Towels here. So check natin. Pak. So aside from the toilet, actually na-expect ko lang na meron silang shower. This is the highlights. So meron silang shower area dito guys. And now, look at the view and they have a bathtub like so big. I'm so excited. Look at this guys. So you're chilling here sa bathtub. Tapos this is the view. The bed. So this one guys is a king size bed. And aside from the bed, they have the couch. It's nice. And they have like a lot of pillows. Yung parang ayaw mo nang lumabas guys. And look at the view. Welcome Mr. Mark Paragas. Thank you. They have complimentary fruits. And look at this. Nakaka-touch naman. Thank you. This is really a 5-star experience, guys. Dito pa lang, ha? There.
Excuse me, come in.
Okay, sure. For all of this, is it for free?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Yan, yung mga nakikita niya dito ngayon. Ang bango ni Kuya. Ano kayong ang bango. Pang social. So guys, libre daw to lahat. Kaso guys, overnight stay lang tayo dito. So we need to consume. Consume agad. So hack pala if ever yung inyong lugar or inyong hotel, inyong hostel, or kahit yung bahay ninyo guys, nilalanggam. Tapos madaling langgamin yung inyong mga ulam, any food, lalo yung mga matatamis. Itong life hack. Put a water, tapos medyo elevated, like yung mga yan, mga bowl or anything. Basta naka-elevate, tapos saka nyo siya ipatong. Siyempre, dahil may water, hindi na yan lalanggamin. O, diba? At least naka-elevate. Oh, guys, again, thank you so much, So Bangkok. Alright guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa So Bangkok. In front of us is yung Lumpini Park. And guys, sobrang ganda ng hotel na to. This is really a 5-star hotel that will give you a 5-star luxury experience. Bungat pa lang guys, yung warm welcome nila. Tapos, yung mga staff na always smiling. They will really make you feel a VIP. Chocolate cake. Papa-take out ko kaya to. Hindi ko guys ito mauubos for sure. Tapos, may candle. Ayan. Meron din silang match here. O, diba? May pa-match. Lemongrass, may bottled water. Tapos meron din, aside from the bottled water na nandun sa mini bar, lahat yung guys na sa loob ng fridge ay libre. So, complimentary. And then they have fruits as well. Look. Oh my God. Cookies. Oh, look. This is look like a mushroom. I love mushroom. Sharp lang. So, by the way guys, for the location, malapit lang siya in front of Lumpini Park. Tapos malapit lang din siya sa Lumpini MRT station. And mga 10-minute walk to Saladaeng BTS station. So pwede naman kayo mag-grab kung saan kayo magagaling going here. And look at the view. Pinakita ko naman sa inyo guys, sobrang ganda. It feels like Central Park ng New York. Yung looks and feel ng Lumpini Park guys. Kasi I've been in New York way back 2015. Nostalgic. So ayun. As in, So Bangkok guys is one of the hotel owned and managed by Accor. We are going to enjoy of course our stay. Tapos tomorrow, yung isa pa nating hotel na kinuha. Which is tomorrow ko na lang sasabihin. So for now, let's have a quick room tour. Then later on, we will have a hotel tour from the concierge going to their rooftop. And as per them, ang rooftop bar nila guys ay nag-open from 5 p.m. So, hindi kayo makakaakyat hanggat hindi sila open kasi yung mga elevator is locked. So, nagko-cost ng around 6,000 plus ang room rates nila dito for an overnight stay. They have like a lot of room choices. So, they have 4 themes, yung water element, metal element, wood element, and earth element. Sa mga room. Then yung fire element guys, most of the areas around the hotel is my touch of fire elements. Now, dito sa water element guys, as you can see, it's very cozy, very minimalist, combination of dark tone and white tone. Then, papakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kung ano itsura ng kanilang metal room, wood, and then earth. So you might want to check their website, so/Bangkok, to get more information about the room. So I would suggest guys, if you are going to stay here, choose the room na park view. Kahit anong theme ng room siguro, basta park view guys, you will be amazed. Siguro pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung parang quick screenshots ng mga rates nila dito based na sa kanilang website for an overnight stay. I am surprised na sobrang cozy ng lugar guys, sobrang linis, and the interiors, sobrang nagja-jive dun sa itsura ng hotel and sa mga lightings guys. Sobrang nakaka-amaze and mapifeel mo talaga na this is a 5-star hotel. I'm not sure guys kung kailan nag-start or kailan tinayo itong So Bangkok, but the condition itself, by looking at it, parang bagong-bago. Since this is a 5-star hotel, so expect nyo na mas mataas, mas mahal yung mga rates nila. And again, ang mga room nila is nagre-range from 6,000 pesos up to 10,000 pesos and pwede pa siyang tumaas based on the room types. Ako guys, since libre lang, so I'm going to enjoy my stay here. Thank you again sa nag-sponsor ng ating stay dito. Sobrang nakakatuwa and nakaka-touch. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat because of this experience, di ba? May additional vlog tayo and meron tayong mapapakita sa mga subscribers natin. If you want like to chill, yung ayaw nyo nang lumabas sa hotel ninyo, just chill, relax, why not try So Bangkok for an overnight stay? And I assure you na hindi kayo madi-disappoint. Nakaka-overwhelm lang, nakaka-excite. Ganito ako guys, medyo tayo, appreciative sa mga bagay-bagay kasi di ba, life is too short. Enjoy life and enjoy every moment, hika nga. So let's enjoy life. And by the way guys, yung ating room pala is room only. Then I've decided na kumuha ng breakfast buffet. So ako na yung nag-shoulder nyan guys, amounting to 1,500. Ang mali ko lang guys kasi nung nag-book na ako dito sa hotel, nag-add agad ako ng breakfast kasi may option naman doon na amounting to 1,500. Now, nung mga parang 1 week before my stay, nagpadala sila ng parang if you want to personalize your stay, yung may mga offer sila ng mga spa, if you want like drinks or kumain sa resto nila, may mga ganong offer guys. Then nakita ko doon merong breakfast buffet guys, and ang price niya lang is 500 baht, so around 800 pesos lang. So yun lang hindi ko naman kasi alam na magpapadala pala sila ng ganun after you book the hotel. Pero okay na yun. Again, nakapagbayad tayo ng almost 1,500 pesos for the breakfast buffet. So that's for tomorrow guys. And time check, it's only 3:20 in the afternoon. Marami pa tayong time na mag-explore dito sa hotel, even tomorrow. I'm going to call them now kung mag-aalaw sila ng late check-out at least, para naman marami akong time maggala tomorrow. Tapos, after that check-out, then lilipat tayo ng hotel. guys, this is so Bangkok sa gabi. Galing tayo guys ng Silom, ng Saladaeng BTS station, tapos nilakad natin hanggang dito guys sa hotel natin dahil naparami tayo ng kinain. So I've decided na maglakad para matagtag. And by the way, dito sa ground floor nila, meron silang mala grand entrance guys. So yung sliding glass door. Oh, pak. O diba? So dito guys is meron silang coffee shop. Ayan. And Chocolab. It's also a cafe. They have pastries, breads, and ito ang kanilang elevator going up. Tapos itong kanilang concierge or yung receiving guests floor or area. Let's go to the 9th floor kung nasan yung kanilang lobby and front desk. By the way, they have elevator, separate elevator from 1st floor to 9th floor. Then, yung 10th floor pataas is nasa kabilang side. So, kaya hindi kayo makakaakyat kung hindi kayo naka-check-in dito kasi may kailangan nyo ng card going up. I think this is the executive lounge. Kung yung room ninyo na kinuha is may access lounge, ayan, dyan. Ito lang front desk, the lobby. So, let's check the view from here. Look at this guys, so we are on the 9th floor and look at the view. Kita-kita agad yung mga lights ng mga buildings and what more pag sa umaga guys. I think this view will be an amazing view. Ayan, so aside from the front desk, they also have a bar here called Mixo. So if you have like a complimentary drink na kasama sa room, you have the option to take or to get your drink here sa 9th floor. So by the way, I'm just showing you guys kung ano yung itsura ng hotel sa gabi. Di ba? At least may comparison day and night. Okay. So this is their gym sa 10th floor guys with an amazing view, and this is their pool. Hi. This is their pool bar. So dito nyo rin pwede kunin yung inyong mga complimentary drink. And look at the view. This is Lumpini Park guys, facing Lumpini Park, and so amazing. Look at that guys. Most of the time guys, pag may mga holidays or events, meron ditong pool party. So aside from the pool, the infinity pool guys, meron sila ditong jacuzzi. And look at that, oh, yung traffic. Guys, usong-uso ang traffic dito. Lalo na pag rush hour, ay nako. I suggest you take the train or maglakad kayo. So yun. I think we need to head to, we need to go to the rooftop spa, guys. Ayan ang schedule. Open daily. And by the way guys, so sakto, ito na lang yung time natin na makaakyat dito sa rooftop nila. Because ang open nito is 5 PM up to 12 midnight ata. Mas maganda yung view dito. Look at that.
The next day.
pork satay. Sarap. Miso soup. Ang nagpasarap guys sa pork satay is yung sauce. Parang may mix ng mga spices dito. And alam mong may touch of Thai spices. So bali guys, overall, parang 8 out of 10 yung mga food choices. It's more on Thai cuisine, Thai food. Konti lang yung parang intercontinental. And yung mga fruits nila, yung mga longan and rambutan guys, nakabalat na siya. So kakainin mo na lang, which is, diba, nice. So ito na lang yung pinapak ko guys, yung pork. So ito guys, nakaka-6 na piraso na ako. Lemongrass, lychee, longan, and rambutan. The weather is so nice today guys. It's sun morning here in Bangkok, Thailand. And ang breakfast nila guys, by the way, is start at 6 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. dito sa 7th floor, yung Red Oven. And as you've noticed, it's more on fire theme yung kanilang restaurant. Sabi ko nga sa inyo na yung kanilang mga rooms may mga water, earth, metal, and wood. Then yung fire elements is utility yung restaurant and other areas dito sa hotel. I like the view.
A few moments later.
Good morning everyone, it's sunny morning here in Bangkok and we are still here staying in Seoul, Bangkok. So kakatapos lang ng breakfast natin guys, so we still have a lot of time para mag-hotel tour. Hindi ako nakapag-hotel tour kahapon kasi pagod tayo. And now, I will use this time guys para mapakita ko sa inyo kung anong meron si Seoul, Bangkok. Alright, again guys, Seoul, Bangkok is a 5-star luxury hotel located in Lumpini, in front of Lumpini Park, a 3-minute walk going to Lumpini MRT station. Huwag na natin patagalin pa, let's start the tour. So look at the entrance pa lang guys, so inviting. So they have, they put a water element here. Ang ganda nung ano, like yung setup. Tapos here on the ground floor, it's more of a coffee shop and dessert cafe. So as you can see, they have KOF or KOF cafe here. And on my right, hindi pa open, pero they have the Chocolab dessert cafe. So now guys, this ground floor, it's more of a concierge nila or receiving guests. And aside from the entrance, kung saan tayo pumasok, they also have another entrance here at the back. Tapos yan, if you are going to check in, you can leave your luggage here at the ground floor and they will assist you to bring it to your room once you check in. So now, once you get here guys, they will assist you to go to the 9th floor kung nasa ng kanilang front desk and lobby. So let's go up. So we are now on the 9th floor. So we are heading to their front desk. And look, I am really amazed with the view guys. And look at this. Ito ang kanilang front desk and they have a mixo bar on the left. Tapos, so itong elevator guys, by the way, itong elevator serves from ground floor up to 9th floor lang. And they have another elevator from 10th floor going to your rooms and to the rooftop. So they have restroom of course, kasi nandito yung kanilang front desk and lobby where you can stay while waiting for your check-in. They have the box. I think the box is one of their restaurant as well. And mixo bar. Ito ito yung kaninang sinabi ko sa inyo guys na elevator that serves from ground floor up to 9th floor. And now, this is the elevator from 9th floor going to the rooftop to your rooms and to the pool bar. Tapos, they also have a function area here. As you can see yan, kita naman agad. So if you have any events, matari, di ba, kung dito kayo mag-function room, seminars, meetings, or any occasion. So yan. So they have mini gym and we still have an area over here guys. Ayan. Hindi na tayo papasok doon pero it's more of the dumbbells, weights. Ayan. And here, yung kanilang mga treadmill, bike. Ayan. And while enjoying the view. Alright, so let's go outside to sa pool. So by the way, they have a pool bar here. They have changing room. They have the water club pool bar. Guys, let's take a moment and appreciate this view. They have jacuzzi over there. Tapos ito yung kanilang gym. Ayan. Ito talaga yun eh. Ito yung nagpaganda ng stay mo rin. Yung view. And of course, good and nice weather. So unfortunately guys, hindi tayo makakaakyat ng kanilang rooftop bar to get more of this view kasi nag-open ang rooftop bar nila guys from 5 p.m. till midnight or till 1 around 2 a.m. So, nakalock yung kanilang elevator on the for that floor. So, yun, hindi kayo makakaakyat. And good thing, we had a shot naman guys last night. So, ilalagay ko na lang dito. We stayed here for an overnight lang guys. So, we don't have any chance na makita yung kanilang rooftop bar ng 5 p.m. kasi mag-check out na tayo ng 1 p.m. kasi nag-request ako ng late check out ng 1 p.m. May nakita kong pumunta dito guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Solarium. Oh no. Meron pa pala dito guys. Solarium is more of a garden. So guys, we are done on the 10th floor. So now let's head back to our room. So guys, I think that's it for our So Bangkok hotel experience. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung video natin for today. Kaya naman don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. So guys, just enjoy life, travel more, and if you're here in Bangkok, don't forget to explore, shop, eat, and drink till you drop. And I am Mark Paragas, discovering the world one step at a time. Mwah mwah chup chup.